Hello everyone, this is class 6, chapter number 26, page number 139. Name of the chapter is Understanding Words Better. In English language, there are words which seem to be similar and very often sound similar but have different meanings. It is important to understand these tricky words better so that one can use them correctly in written and spoken English. So we see there are many words which seem similar but their meaning is different. We will come across many pair of such words in this chapter and we have to identify meaning of each of them and how they are different in use. Let's have a look. First pair is award and reward. Award means a kind of honor which is given to a person for outstanding performance in a particular field. Usage: Lata Mangeshkar has been presented with many awards for her outstanding contribution to the field of Indian music. Next is reward. Reward means something given in return for some good done by a person. See the difference? Award is a kind of honor for outstanding performance, but reward is given in return for some good done by a person. Now use of this word in a sentence. Suresh Gupta gave a reward of rupees 8,000 to the fisherman who saved his son from drowning in the sea. We see the difference between both of them. Now come to the next pair. Answer and reply. Answer means to give the solution of a given problem or question. Use of it. Roshni could not answer all the questions in the economics paper because they were very complicated. Another word is reply. Reply means to respond in writing or orally. Remember the difference. Answer is to give solution of any problem or question, but reply means to respond. So for reply, there must be a question or a conversation. Use: I sent a letter to my childhood friend Aman at his new address but got no reply. So there is difference between answer and a reply. Third pair is accident and incident. Accident means an unexpected happening, whereas incident means an event or happening. See the difference between them by using them in sentences. Accident: the car met with an accident because the driver was careless. Another one, incident: my grandma always likes to narrate interesting incidents from her childhood days. So you can see the difference between both of them. There are total 34 such pair of words given in this chapter. You have to go through them, see their meaning, understand and try to make your own sentences with each of the pair. Now we'll solve page number 142, question number B, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. There are two options given for each of the blank. You have to find the correct one. Let's do this. 1. My brother does not like to eat the yolk of an egg. Spelling is Y-O-L-K, yolk, which is the part of yellow part of egg. Second, the suit which my uncle wore was well stitched. Spelling is S-U-I-T, suit, which is a type of cloth. Third, the path up the hills was not straight. Spelling is S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Fourth, the lady got a compliment for her charity work. Spelling is C-O-M-P-L-I-M-E-N-T, compliment. Number 5. Surat is an industrial town. I-N-D-U-S-T-R-I-A-L. Number 6. My friend took a personal loan to buy a car. L-O-A-N, loan. 7. My grandpa is a dash man who is admired by all. Answer is respectable. R-E-S-P-E-C-T-A-B-L-E, respectable. Number 8. Shefali Gupta has gone on a vacation with her family. V-A-C-A-T-I-O-N, vacation. So here we complete the chapter. Question number A. Make sentences with the following words to clearly distinguish between their meaning. This is your homework for today. Thank you.